cooking oils, before I say which ones, because I know that's what people want, right? You want the one-hit wonder of what to shop for. Is the reason that we talk about oils and a lot of oils, nuts, seeds, any kind of fat that we get in our body is looking at, is it pro-inflammatory or anti-inflammatory? And not to get too scientific here, but there's in our country, let me go back. So if we are going back to the days when we truly ate from the land, there's these two kinds of oils, omega-3 and omega-6, and the goal is that they're balanced. What's happened with processed food, with a lot of certain oils, is that we're now having 20 to 30 times more of the omega-6. So it's not that we don't need it, but the ratio is really off. So when we think of things like oils that we cook with or that we're making salad dressing with, really being conscious and saying, can I add more of omega-3s into my body to balance that out, to essentially stop adding these pro-inflammatory pieces that have a myriad of effects on our body. So those anti-inflammatory, so avocado oil, if price is no limit, is kind of the Rolls Royce of oils. It's expensive, so get it on sale. And also remember that oil only lasts for about 6 months in your cupboard, so don't go out and buy a lifetime supply or it's going to go rancid. The reason it's the Rolls Royce, has a really high smoking point, so you can do all kinds of cooking with it. It also is flavor neutral, so you're essentially adding the flavors with your spices, your herbs, your other components. That price point's tough on people, so things like having one that can do a high point cooking, so either canola oil, or sunflower oil, avocado oil. So having one of those, then to have one that you can do colder cooking or not as high heat cooking. So things like that's where the olive oil comes in, where you can roast, but you wouldn't want to make stovetop popcorn because that's where the smoke point comes in. And then those fancy olive oils that you get if you go to Napa, for example, and you're getting, the olive oil companies, etc. Those are made more for drizzling. Finishing oils is what we call those.